Welcome students in our mathematics class. Our today's concept is comparison of rational numbers. When we compare two rational numbers, first we must understand two things. First thing, if numerator and denominator of a rational number is multiplied by any non-zero number, then the value of rational number does not change. That is, here a upon b, it is one of the rational number. If we multiply to numerator and denominator by k, which is non-zero number, then a upon b is equal to ka upon kb. Here again k is not equal to 0, k is non-zero rational number. And second thing, for any pair of numbers on a number line, the number to the left is smaller than the other. Here one example is given. Compare the numbers 0 and minus 7. Now in 0 and minus 7, in these two numbers, minus 7 is left to 0. And so minus 7 is less than 0. When we compare any two rational number, then we use three rules. That is, three rules are useful to compare two rational numbers. Now for comparison, we use the symbols. We use the symbols. This symbol is less than, it is equal to, and it is for greater than. We use these three symbols when we compare any two rational numbers. Now if a upon b and c upon d are two rational numbers, then first rule state that if a into d, that is this a into this d, that is numerator of first rational number, and denominator of second, that is a into d, is less than b into c, this b into c, then the first rational number a upon b is less than c upon d. Now we can explain this rule with the example of this. Compare two rational numbers 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 3. Here these two rational numbers are given. Now we compare these two rational numbers. Now here first rational number is 3 upon 4 and second is 5 upon 3. So we multiply this numerator and denominator of first rational number by this 3. That is 3 into 3 upon 4 into 3 equal to 9 upon 12. And this 5 upon 3 equal to, now it is multiplied by this 4. That is 5 upon 3 is equal to 5 into 4 upon 3 into 4 equal to 20 upon 12. Now it is easy to compare these two rational numbers whose denominators are same, that is 12. Now 9 upon 12 is less than 20 upon 12 because the denominators are same, and so we easily compare these numerators 9 and 20. This 9 is less than 20. So 9 upon 12 is less than 20 upon 12. Now original rational numbers, this 9 upon 12, that is 3 upon 4. So this 3 upon 4 is less than 5 upon 3. Now in these two rational numbers, we multiplied by this denominator 3 to this rational number, and we multiplied by this 4 to this rational number, and after the cross product, numerator of which rational number is greater, that rational number is greater than other. Now the second rule states that if a into d equal to b into c, then a upon b is equal to c upon d. If the cross product a into d is same as that the cross product c into b. Now again we explain this rule with this example. Compare 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10. Now again we multiplied by this 10 to this rational number, and we multiplied by 5 to this rational number. That is 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 into 10 upon 5 into 10 equal to 30 upon 50. 6 upon 10 is equal to 6 into this 5 upon 10 into 5 is equal to 30 upon 50. Now if we compare these two rational numbers, numerator and denominators are same. So 30 upon 50 is equal to 30 upon 50. So original rational number, this 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 10. Now third rule to compare the rational number. If the cross product A into D is greater than B into C, then A upon B is greater than C upon D. Now compare the numbers 12 upon 15 and 3 upon 5. Now there is cross product. This 12 into 5 and 15 into 5, that is 12 upon 15 is equal to, multiplied to numerator and denominator by this 5. So 12 into 5 upon 15 into 5 is equal to 60 upon 75. And this 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 into this 15 upon 5 into 15 is equal to 45 upon 75. It is easy to compare these two numbers because denominators are same. Now 60 upon 75 is greater than 45 upon 75 because this numerator 60 is greater than 45. As denominators are same, first we equate the denominators and then we compare the two rational numbers. And so original rational number 12 upon 15 is greater than 3 upon 5. So there are three rules to compare the rational numbers. First rule states that if A upon B and C upon D are two rational numbers, if A into D is less than B into C, then A upon B is less than C upon D. Second rule, if A into D equal to B into C, then A upon B is equal to C upon D. And third rule, if A into D is greater than B into C, then A upon B is greater than C upon D. Now we solve some examples in practice set 1.2. Now the first example, compare the following numbers -7, -2. Now between this -7 and -2, here we draw the number line. This point 0, to the right of 0 all positive numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on, and to the left of this 0 there are negative numbers -1, -2, -3. In this way there is -7. Now this -2, if we compare these two numbers -7 and -2, -2 is at right side than -7. So the number which is at right side on number line, it is greater than other. That is -7 is less than -2. Now second, compare the numbers 8 upon 7 and 0. Now again we know that 8 upon 7, it is positive rational number. So it is to the right side of 0. And so 8 upon 7 is greater. 8 upon 7 is to the right side on the number line than 0 because it is positive rational number. And so 8 upon 7 is greater than 0. Now again one example, compare rational numbers 40 upon 29 and 141 upon 29. Now denominators are same between these two numbers, between these two rational numbers. Now we compare the numerators 40 and 141. Between these two numbers, this 141 is greater, and so the number 40 upon 29 is less than 141 upon 29. It is easy to compare the two rational numbers whose denominators are same by comparing only their numerators. We can easily compare that two rational numbers. Now, there is another example. Compare these two numbers 17 minus 17 upon 20 and minus 13 upon 20. Now, we can write this minus 17 upon 20 equal to, now this negative sign, it is given only to this numerator 17, that is minus 17 upon 20. Now we compare these two numbers. Now denominators are same, these denominators are same, so we compare with the help of these numerators. Again between minus 17 and minus 13. Minus 13 is on right side than minus 17. And so this minus 17 upon 20 is less than minus 13 upon 20. Next example. Compare the numbers 12 upon 15 and 3 upon 5. Now denominators are not same. First we equate these denominators by a cross product. That is multiply by 5 to this numerator and denominator and by multiplying this 15 to this numerator and denominator of the second rational numbers. Now 12 upon 15 is equal to 12 into 5 upon 15 into 5 is equal to 60 upon 75. And this 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 into 15 upon 5 into 15 is equal to 45 upon 75. Now, by comparing these numbers, denominators are same. So, compare this 45 and 60. Between 60 and 45, 45 is less, 60 is greater. And so, 60 upon 75 is greater than 45 upon 75. Now, original rational numbers, 12 upon 15 greater than 3 upon 5. In this way, we can compare any two rational numbers. Now, you solve all the examples in practice set 1.2 in your notebook.